Hyderabad Hub for Aviation Skill Development. Aerospace company Pratt& Whitney has positioned Hyderabad as a hub of advanced aviation skill development in South Asia and the Middle East. The company's India Customer Training Center (CTC) in Hyderabad is setting new benchmarks in training. Amit Pathak, GM, Pratt & Whitney, India and site leader, India Training Center tells Telangana Today the role its center is playing and future plans. Advantage Hyderabad. We have customers visiting the center from as far away as Australia, New Zealand, and Africa to take courses. We continue to enhance course offerings and recently added several advanced courses on engine design and repair as well as engine fleet management, which is generating renewed interest among engineers and technicians in the region. Given that Hyderabad is within 5 to 6 hours of flying time from major aviation hubs in the region like Dubai, UAE, and Singapore, we are ideally located to draw global customers. Global Hub. The India CTC in Hyderabad is only the third such Pratt & Whitney training facility in the world and has been approved by aviation regulators such as DGCA and EASA. It provides specialized training for Airbus A320 family aircraft to our customers, airline engineers and technicians. The center has imparted training to over 39 operators representing over 27 nationalities since its launch in 2015, and those numbers continue to grow. We have great support from the Government of Telangana, and we appreciate the leadership and support from Industries Minister KTR and Principal Secretary Jayesh Ranjan that is helping fuel the growth of the aerospace sector. We have an MOU with Telangana Academy of Skills and Knowledge, and have collaborated on multiple programs for engineering students. The CTC also organizes specialized training targeted towards MSMEs looking to grow their business in the aerospace manufacturing sector. Multimodal formats. The center is equipped with actual aircraft engines, GTF and V2500, specialized and general purpose tooling, as well as advanced audiovisual teaching aids, including virtual reality based demonstration systems. So far, we have completed almost 11,500 student days of training. Successful entry in service for aircraft powered by our advanced engines depends heavily on the availability of trained technicians and engineers who can maintain them. Remote training. In March 2020, our CTC in Hyderabad had to suddenly close due to the pandemic lockdown. However, through joint efforts from our global customer training sites and leveraging latest technology tools, we quickly transitioned several of our theory-based courses to online remote training. By innovating the way we delivered learning and deploying a new and unique system, we were able to train students across 7 countries even during the lockdown and ensure critical EAS for our customers.